Shopping, the act of buying things in a store. Store, a place where you can buy things. Wallet, a small bag that holds money. Cashier, the person at the store who takes your money when you buy something. Basket, a small container to hold the items you want to buy. Discount, when the price of something is lower than usual. Purchase, to buy something. Checkout, the place in the store where you pay for your items. Sale, when items are being sold at a lower price than usual. Receipt, a piece of paper you get when you buy something that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Customer, a person who buys things. Price, the amount of money something costs. Shopping cart, a cart in the store where you can put all the items you want to buy. Credit card, a card that you can use to pay for things, and the money gets paid later. Groceries, food and other items you buy at the store. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I enjoy shopping at the mall on weekends with my friends. 2. We need to stop by the store to buy some milk. 3. Don't forget your wallet when you go to the supermarket. 4. The cashier greeted me with a smile at the checkout counter. 5. Can you help me carry this heavy basket of groceries? 6. I got a discount on this shirt because it was on sale. 7. I made a purchase online and now I'm waiting for it to arrive. 8. Let's go to the checkout to pay for our items. 9. There is a big sale at the department store next week. 10. Make sure to keep your receipt in case you need to return something. 11. The customer complained about the high price of the shoes. 12. I'll grab a shopping cart before we start picking out groceries. 13. You can pay with your credit card for the groceries. 14. We need to buy fruits and vegetables for our groceries. 15. The customer finished shopping and headed to the checkout.